Good morning to all. Today we discuss about family Caparaceae or Caparidaceae. Generally we call as Capar family. In earlier days, Benjamin Hooker classified this family under subclass Polypetalae, series Thalamiflorae and order Paradies. Now the Angiosperm phylogeny group 4 classification. This family comes under Eudicots, Rosids and order Brassicales. General characters of Caparaceae: the stipules are spiny, flowers actinomorphic, rarely zygomorphic condition, bisexual and hypogynous, gynopore and andropore present in the flower, calyx polysepalous condition, corolla polypetalous condition, stamens 4 to numerous, carpels 2, ovary superior and parietal placentation. The distribution of Caparaceae according to Parkes and Hoffman, there are 45 genera and 700 species distributed in tropical and subtropical warm and temperate regions of the world. In India, this family represented 65 species. The vegetative characters of Caparaceae, the habit, there is a great variation in habit of plants. It may be herbaceous plants like Cleome viscosa, Cleome felina, Cleome monophylla, etc. and shrubs like Caparis divaricata, Caparis saparia, and Caparis stylosa, and some of the trees like Criteva adansonii, Criteva religiosa are present in this family, and some plants like Caparis apilla in extreme xerophytic condition with reduced leaves, sometimes the leaves entirely absent in adult plant. Generally, the Caparaceae have a branched taproot system. The stem is aerial, erect and herbaceous or woody and solid, branched, spinous and cylindrical stem. Leaves generally alternate, simple or palmately compound with stipules. The stipules sometimes it may be modified into spines or glands. In some cases like Caparis aphylla, the leaves are superposed, and in adult plant may be without leaves. Floral characters: inflorescence, racemose type of inflorescence present in Cleome, and corymbose type of inflorescence present in Meruva and some species of Caparis, and solitary inflorescence present in Niburia and Caparis spinosa. You can see the racemose type of inflorescence present in Cleome monophylla and Gynandropsis pentaphylla, and the corymbose type of inflorescence present in Caparis saparia. Next the flower and generally have a bracteate and actinomorphic, sometimes zygomorphic, and bisexual flowers, bracteoles mostly absent, hypogynous, pedicelates and generally tetramerous flower. You can see the beautiful colors of petals in a family Caparaceae. The internode between the petals and stamens is elongated to form andropore, or that between the stamens and carpels elongated of form of gynopore. The andropore and gynophore is a characteristic feature of the family Caparaceae. Calyx generally sepals 4, usually arranged in 2 whorls 2 plus 2, polysepalous condition, and aestivation is imbricate. In Caparis aphylla, the sepals are unequal condition and the hinder sepal to form a hood-like structure. Corolla generally petals 4, polypetalous condition with long claws, and aestivation is imbricate or valvate in aestivation, Criteva, etc. In Australian genus the petals are fused. This is only one species comes under united petals. In the corolla, it may be various colors: yellow, white, purple, or blue. Next, andrecium, the stamens generally 4 to numerous. In Caparis and Creteva, there are numerous stamens are present. In Cleome gynandra have 6 stamens, and Cleome tetandra have only 4 stamens. In Cleome gynandra, both andropore and gynopore are present. In Caparis, there is only gynopore and there is no andropore. In Cleome, the gynopore is very small or much reduced. Gynoecium generally carpels 2 or sometimes 4, syncarpus condition, seated on a long gynopore, sometimes sessile, ovary superior, unilocular with parietal placentation, ovules many on each placentum, style very are absent, stigma capitate or depressed. Generally, the fruit is siliqua type of fruit present in Cleome, and berry type of fruit is present in some species of Caparis, and a drupe type of fruit is present in Rhodesia. Seeds generally kidney shaped, X albuminous and embryo curved. Pollination generally entomophilous. The floral formula of this family actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 2+2, corolla 4, stamens 4 to 6 are numerous, ovary superior, bicarpellary, syncarpus. This family have less economic importance. The fruits of Caparis aphylla and Caparis spinosa are used as preparation of pickle. And Caparis aphylla, the young shoot and leaves are powdered and used to raise blisters and toothache. And the root and bark of Caparis spinosa is used as a carminative and stimulant. Creteva religiosa also used in medicine as a remedy for gallbladder stone. Some plants like Merua or Rhoetia suaveolens and Creteva religiosa are planted as ornamental plants of gardens. Here we discuss about Cleome gynandra. This is an example of Caparaceae. Habit generally annual herb, root, taproot and branched, stem erect, herbaceous, cylindrical, branched, green and solid below and hollow above, glandular hairs present, leaves generally alternate, stipulate, putelate, palmately compound and pinnatifoliate, leaflet are elliptic, obtuse at apex, serrate at margin, unicostate, reticulate venation. The inflorescence is corymbose raceme, and the flowers have bracteate, pedicellate, complete and bisexual flowers, actinomorphic, hypogynous, andropore and gynopore are present. Calyx generally sepals 4, polysepalous, green in two whorls, outer anterior posterior and inner lateral, imbricate distribution. Corolla petals 4, polypetalous conditions, long clawed, white in color, valvate distribution. Andrecium, stamen 6, polyandrous, andropore present, filament long, anthers dorsifix, dithecous, intrors and purple. Gynoecium generally bicarpellary, syncarpus, ovary superior, unilocular, parietal placentation, many ovules on each placentum, gynopore present, stigma sessile and capitate. The floral formula of Cleome gynandra, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 2+2, corolla 4, andrecium 6, gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpus. Thank you.